What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got my nails from that to this, then keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you guys a little insight on my new service that I will be doing. I already filed this nail down. This is my first time doing acrylic nails, so don't judge me, don't come for me, don't be trying to bite me. Feel me? Let's go. So we're gonna find a nail that fits our finger, and we're about to do that now. And like I said, I already filed this nail down, so it's already filed a little bit. You ain't gotta file it that much. You ain't gotta kill your finger, but just file a little bit. This is a nail that I would be putting on that fits my finger. So we're gonna take the nail glue, and we're just gonna put a little dab towards the end. Excuse me, y'all. This is my first time with long nails too. Girl, I don't know how y'all do this thing. So I just put my top back on because I don't want my stuff to dry out. And we're gonna put that on the nail. So after that nail is on, I just drill that nail down just a little bit just so it can be smooth. And we're gonna prep for the acrylic after this. Okay, so I have my brush. I got this from Amazon. It was like maybe $14. And I have my Mia Sweet acrylic liquid. And I have nail prep, which is the hydrator or dehydrator. And we're gonna put some primer on as well. It's the Kiss primer. And we're just gonna start doing our acrylic. After that, we're gonna buff this stuff down. So we're gonna pull out that drill again and we're going to buff it. Now we're gonna file and get that shape right. After you shape the nail, we're gonna buff it. Buff it out. After I buff, I like to dust my hand off, and I like to put the cuticle oil on before I do the clear coat. Okay, as you can see, I put the clear coat on, and now, you know, it's coming together. It's coming together. You know, it's coming together. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. At least subscribe. You ain't gotta like a comment, but subscribe, baby. Now, after you get done painting that clear polish on now, I went ahead and just painted all of my nails. We're done. We done, baby. I think they came out great. This is my first time doing acrylic nails ever, and I will do a video on all the stuff that I had bought off Amazon and all the stuff that I had to buy off Mia Sweet. It's a lot of stuff, but it's worth it because in the end, when I'm done with my class, it's gonna be on and popping. Now y'all have finally seen how I went from the nubs to the grabblers. Like, comment, subscribe. Once again, let me know how you feel. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Peace. I'm gonna be a little hand model for y'all too, so just keep watching.